Mary, I think there is a problem.
What happened, John?
I always park in spot number 7, but today someone is in my spot.
Oh, but John, that spot is not your spot. It is a shared space. Anyone can use it.
I know, but I arrive early every day. I always use spot 7.
I understand, but the company rules say the spots are first come, first served.
I know the rules, but it is a little frustrating.
I see. Can I help you find another spot?
I looked. Spot 12 is open, but it is far from the entrance.
Yes, but it is close to the side door. That door is near our office.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, I use that door every day. It is fast and easy.
That is good to know. Thank you, Mary.
No problem. And John, maybe talk to HR about assigned spots. It's a good idea.
That is a great idea. I will send an email today.
Good. Now let's go. We have a meeting in 5 minutes.
Right. Let's go.